Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. My name is Phyllis, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by and ask that you please consider subscribing by tapping the subscribe button, click the bell and the select all to be notified of all future videos that I upload. And to my faithful established viewers, thank you so much for your continued support in watching my videos. Here on my channel, I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill thrift hauls, and more. In this video, I will be sharing as part of my 2020 home makeover journey, a dining room wall, which I created an accent wall using wallpaper and wood trim molding, and it's actually just wood purchased from Home Depot. With it, I'm creating a chair rail batten board look, and the wallpaper that I'm using is the wallpaper that I've used as my backdrop for my intro and outro of my videos. It's actually what you're looking at right now. This wallpaper was purchased from Amazon. I've already placed it in several walls in my home on last year, and I just love it. But first, let me show you the inspiration picture that I'm using to create my accent wall in my dining room. Here is a screenshot of the peel and stick wallpaper that I purchased from Amazon that I will be using in my dining room. I have also used it in 3 other areas in my home to create accent walls. I will be sharing those pictures and a few clips of those walls before I get into sharing with you how I am updating my dining room wall. This is at the foot of my steps, the wall before the wallpaper was applied. And here is the after. I love the silver, the white, and the gray of the wallpaper. That is the theme or color theme in my home: gray, black, and white. And then I'll use some kind of pop of color to just bring out from the neutral. But again, this was done last year. This was not initially the part of my home makeover journey. Coming up is at the top of my stairs. I had curtains. And here is the after with the wallpaper. And finally, my daughter's old bedroom, which I am converting into my office. I covered just one wall with this wallpaper as well. I will be getting the windows trimmed with wood, and my desire is to also get plantation shutters on the window as well. Just FYI, that chandelier is a DIY, and if you're interested in seeing how I put that together, I will leave a link in the description box below. with the measuring tape, I used the crease in the paper blinds to help me with the measurement from where I wanted the chair rail to start down to the bottom, and it ended up being 53.5 inches. Again, from where I wanted the chair rail to start, and you see where I followed the crease of the blade with the paper blinds with my pencil to measure out, and I'm using the leveler to make sure that the line is straight. And from that line on up is where my paper wallpaper will be, and below that, as you saw in the video and the picture of my inspiration, is where the batten board trim molding will go. And that same wood that I'm using to do the chair rail, I'll be using that to trim out my windows as well. Here I'm showing you again, it came out to be 53.5 inches high from the top to the bottom, or midway of the window to the bottom. And this is the wallpaper from Wall Pops, again, that I got from Amazon. bottom here that I am pointing out will be trim molding like this and painted white. Again, just like the inspiration picture and video that I showed you. And everything will be painted out white. The window will be trimmed, and my vision and my desire is to get shutters. Now this is just a temporary setting in my dining room. I gave my daughter my dining set, including the chairs and 2 bar stools. She just moved back to Florida, and I basically help her redecorate or refurnish her apartment. Just gives me an excuse to buy a new dining room set. But if you can just imagine all of the crown molding, not crown molding, but the molding trim, batten board, and chair rail, everything painted white, it is going to be absolutely beautiful. I'm excited about this home makeover journey that I'm taking. I'm going to ask you all to just follow along with me. It is going to probably take the entire year of 2020 because I'm hardly ever here, as I'm going to other places helping other people decorate their home. But I am excited about what I'm implementing in my own home. Again, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. And until next time, bye-bye.